Rishi. So, how are you, Rishi?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay. As far as I know, you are the student of class 10th here
Yes, sir.
in Read and Achieve classes.
Mm.
First of all, I would like to introduce yourself in front of the audience.
Hi, I am Rishi of class 10th and I study in Woodward Modern School and the representative of Read and Achieve classes. My father is an MR and my mother is a housewife. My goal will be an IITian.
What are your hobbies?
Listen songs.
Songs. Just one hobby? Do you have any other hobbies?
No.
Okay. Can you sing a song?
No, sir. No,
You just listen the songs?
Yes.
So your goal is to become IITian. Why do you want to be IITian?
No, because I am interested in maths and science, so I want to an IITian.
But more than subject, it is a kind of a skill. Okay, so becoming IITian is not only the matter of being interested in subjects. Because if you want to be engineer, okay, great engineer, then you should have a skill to draw great buildings or whatever. Like there
Yes.
are several branches of engineering. So it's up to you. Anyway, okay, tell me a bit about your preparation for upcoming 10th examination because you are going to participate in your board examination very soon.
I study for my best examination and I want to score 95% plus in board examination.
Okay, so you wanna score 95%.
Yes.
What are you doing for it? Like, what are you doing for it? Are you how many hours do you study?
6 to 7 hours per day.
6 to 7 hours per day. Okay,
Yes.
really great. Which is your best subject?
Maths and science.
Maths and science.
Yes.
Why is it your best subject?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know? Oh, you should have known. You told me about your father. He is MR, okay?
Yes.
So medical representative.
Yes.
So how much you are impressed with your father's job or hard work that he put to nurture your family and you?
I feel very bad when I see that my dad put cartoons in bike or car. So I feel very bad from in my heart. So I want to be a big person in my life.
Why do you think putting a cartoon is bad or you feel bad? Because it's also a service.
It is an emotion, sir.
Okay, it's emotion. So it's a kind of also service, like he is serving the patients, okay?
Yes.
And serving a patient or ill people is not a bad work. Yeah, you think like he is carrying a cartoon, but inside the cartoon he is not carrying the kind of garbage. He is carrying a medicines, okay?